One forgotten detail. That's all it takes to lose a high-ticket client or ruin a project. We all think we'll remember what was said, but by tomorrow, 80% of it is gone. Imagine having a perfect searchable memory for every conversation you've ever had. That is the power of Fireflies.ai. Today on SaaS Track, we're doing a deep dive into the dashboard to see if this is the game changer your workflow needs. As we start here, the first thing you'll notice is Fred. This isn't just a transcription tool. It's an AI assistant designed to automate the heavy lifting of your professional life. From meeting notes to syncing with your email and Slack, Fred is built to handle the busy work that usually eats up your day. Looking at the main dashboard, you can see how Fireflies organizes your upcoming schedule. I love this flexibility. You can set the bot to automatically join any meeting with a web conference link. You have full control here to decide which calls Fred attends and who gets the recap once the call is over. Now let's see it in action. On this Google Meet screen, you can see the Fireflies note taker waiting to join. Once you let him in, he's there as a participant, silent but working. As the conversation happens, Fred is capturing every word in the background, so you don't have to scramble with a pen and paper. This is where it gets powerful. During the live call, you can actually open the Ask Fred panel. If you join a meeting late or lose your train of thought, you can ask the AI for a summary of what's been discussed so far, or pull out specific action items and deadlines, all while the meeting is still happening. For those of you in sales, check out the Sales Assist mode. It provides real-time suggestions and guidance during the call. If a prospect asks a tough question or raises an objection, Fred is right there to help you navigate the conversation effectively. Another standout feature is the language support. Fireflies handles over 100 languages. As you can see in this transcript, it can even manage multi-language conversations where different participants are speaking different languages at the same time, maintaining high transcription quality even in noisy environments. Not everyone wants a bot in their meeting, and Fireflies understands that. You have multiple ways to capture audio: the desktop app, a mobile app for in-person meetings, or even a web recorder in your browser. You can also upload existing audio-video files or use the Chrome extension to record without an active bot being visible. Once the call ends, you move to the notebook. This is where the magic happens. Look at how detailed these notes are. You get a high-level overview, a bulleted summary, key metrics, and even a dedicated action items section that automatically assigns tasks to specific people. The full transcript is incredibly easy to navigate. You'll see speaker labels and timestamps for everything. My favorite part? You can click any sentence in the transcript and the recording jumps straight to that exact second. You can also download everything in multiple formats or use Ask Fred post-meeting to find specific details like, when exactly did we discuss the budget? The Smart Search panel on the left is a massive time saver. You can filter the entire conversation by tasks, questions, pricing, or even sentiment. It even tracks speaker talk time, which is a great coaching tool to see if you're talking too much or listening enough. But it doesn't just work for one call. With Global Search, you can search across every meeting you've ever had. You can ask Fred, what were the biggest blockers trending across all my calls this week? And it will pull the answers from your entire history. The Personal Assistant mode is another great addition. You get a daily digest of your meetings, emails, and Slack messages. Plus, the Meeting Prep feature gives you a quick briefing on past conversations before you jump into your next call. If you want to go deeper, you can enable specific AI skills. You can train Fred to automatically fill out your CRM fields, score candidates during interviews, or flag deal risks based on the conversation. And check out this integration list. With over 100 connections, you can push your notes straight to Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, Notion, or Asana. It basically turns your meetings into a structured database. This is one of the most futuristic parts of the tool: voice agents. Fireflies can actually attend and run meetings for you. Whether it's a screening interview or a quick check-in, the agent can handle it independently and provide you with the full transcript and insights afterward. Finally, for the enterprise users, the security here is top tier. They are SOC 2 Type 2 certified and compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, and FERPA. The admin panel gives you full control over data retention and private storage, making it safe for even the most sensitive industries. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. How does this hold up against competitors like Tactiq? Both have their strengths, but if you want to see a full Fireflies versus Tactiq comparison video, comment down below and I'll bring that versus video to the channel. Fireflies.ai is much more than a transcription tool. It's a memory bank for your business. If you're ready to stop worrying about the details and start being present in your meetings, this is a must-try. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to SaaS Track for more deep dives. Don't forget to follow our socials on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to stay updated on the latest SaaS trends.